How do you factor perfect square trinomials? Imagine you have a special kind of three-term expression that looks like it might be a perfect square. Sometimes, these expressions come up when you're working with algebra problems. Recognizing and factoring them can make solving equations much easier. A perfect square trinomial is a polynomial with three terms that can be written as the square of a binomial. Think of it like a square number, but in algebra form. These trinomials follow a specific pattern, which helps us identify them quickly. The general form of a perfect square trinomial is either a t plus 2ab plus b or a t to ab plus b t. When it is a t plus 2ab plus b t, it factors as a plus b t. If it is a t to ab plus b t, it factors as a b t. The first step is to check the first and last terms. Both should be perfect squares. For example, if you see x t, that is a perfect square because it is x times x. Similarly, if you see 9, which is 3 times 3, that is also a perfect square. Next, look at the middle term. It should be twice the product of the square roots of the first and last terms. For example, if the first term is for x t, which is 2x t, and the last term is 9, which is 3 t, then twice their product is 2 plus times to x plus times 3, which equals 12x. If the middle term matches this, then the trinomial is a perfect square. Once you confirm the pattern, you can write the factored form. If the middle term is positive, the trinomial factors as a plus b t. If it is negative, it factors as a b t. Let's try an example. Suppose you have for x squared plus 12x plus 9. First, check the first term. It is for x squared, which is 2x t. The last term is 9, which is 3 t. The middle term is 12x, and twice the product of 2x and 3 is 12x. It matches perfectly. So the factored form is 2x plus 3 t. Remember, if you're unsure, try rewriting the terms or simplifying to see if they fit the pattern. Recognizing these perfect square patterns makes factoring faster and easier. It also helps when solving quadratic equations or completing the square. By following these steps, you can confidently identify and factor perfect square trinomials. Practice with different expressions, and soon it will become second nature to spot these special patterns in algebra.